Okay, hi everybody, Terry Brown here, and I want to thank you so much for taking a few moments of your time to check out this video today. And I've got a quick thought I want to share with you, and then I've got a low-cost, potentially very profitable business opportunity that I want to share with you as well. Okay, so let's get into our thought for today, and you can see it right there. It says every day is a fresh start. And I love this quote because you could have had a bad day yesterday, but guess what? Today is a new day, and that's the beauty of new days. Okay, you can start anew every single day. Now check this out. A fresh start, okay, is not a new place. It's a new mindset, okay? Think about that for a moment, okay? A fresh start is not a new place, okay? It's a new mindset. And just think if we just wake up in the morning and we can renew our minds every single day. Okay, so now let's get into this information on our incredible business opportunity. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so here we are. I thought I'd throw on just a little bit of music. Okay, this program, I call this the instant cash flow system, and that's my pet name for this program. Okay, but as you can see, you'll be able to earn instant commissions working at home. All right, that's the ability to earn $19 instant PayPal payments. All right, now let's look at this together. It's a low-cost home business. You can make some good money with this program. You're not going to get rich, but you can make some good extra income, and we'll show you how you can do that. Okay, earn multiple $19 instant PayPal payments daily. All right, 100% commissions, comes direct to you. Lifetime membership website, no monthly fees, no hidden fees. Okay, no website to build. It's a 12-month membership, so for $19 annually, all right, you get this system where you can make multiple $19. You can make literally thousands of dollars with this program over a year's period of time. Okay, affiliate marketing tools are available for you. You'll be able to earn $19 for the initial upgrade of $19. Okay, earn $19 for the annual upgrade as well. Somebody is going to re-up. Okay, you're going to get that commission as well. All right, start with a one-time payment. It's the perfect solution for newbies and non-newbies alike. Get over 600 downloads to resell if you wanted to go that route as well. Okay, you're going to get my marketing plan. All right, I'm going to give you some insight on what to do, and I've got some great programs, no cost, low cost, where you can market this opportunity. Okay, and you're also going to get a free bonus gift from me just for upgrading for what? One time $19 in a 12-month period of time. Okay, we also have a 3-day free trial plus 300 free eBooks. Now get this, it's only $19, y'all. All right, it's it's not a lot to think about. Okay, plus we have an awesome partner program that's going to go along with this program where you'll be able to make even some extra money. So I'm going to leave the link to my page here where you can come and access the information. Okay, and if you're looking for a great low-cost home business, you certainly want to check out our program. It's unlimited license, a really good program. Okay, and I mean, for the money, guess what? You can't be beat, and you can make a lot of money with this program. So again, I'm going to leave my link so you can access the information. I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and wonderful day today.